How to snap yourself on Snapchat. You can easily snap yourself on Snapchat, and here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app, and now you can capture a snap or you can upload a photo from your gallery. So in my case, I'm going to selecting a photo and now tap on send to and tap on send to box, and in this box you have to search for your Snapchat account name, and here you will find me option next to your name. Just select your account and tap on send snap. Once sended, I'm going back from here and going to chat panel, and here's, as you can see, the snap I've successfully sent myself. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.